I'm hungry. All right, welcome back. So today, for today's recipe, we're going to be using some ground chicken, some garlic, some bell peppers, and some hot peppers, sweet potato, and some tomatoes, and of course the seasoning. So the seasoning, what I'll do is I'll put what I'm using on the screen as I'm mixing everything together. So I've already minced the garlic in the ground chicken. The same thing with everything else. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add it in here. And some onions as well. You can use a regular white potato if you want. I do like the sweet potatoes, so I'm going to use this one with the skin on. So we're just going to put it here. It was pre-boiled overnight as well. So, and now we're going to put our spices. And now we're going to add it to the pan. Of course, the pan, I don't have any oil in here just because the chicken already has a little bit of fat in it. So that's just going to cook properly. And everything else that's mixed in it has water. So you really don't need to put any oil in here. And the pan is set to low, just to start. Just mix it up evenly. Now what we can do is we can raise it up a little bit. As you can see, you don't need oil. There's a lot of water in the chicken and the onions and everything else that's in here. So it reduces the fat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cover it and put it on low and just let it sit there for a while. All right, so it's done. And I have boiled some black beans as well that we're going to add to this. So we're going to add that right now. And we're going to mix it up. All right, so now we're gonna build our burrito. So we got the pita bread, we put some in here, and I'm just gonna build it the way I like to build it, which is put in some sour cream. Okay, now this is the 1% sour cream, so it doesn't have a lot of calories. And then some tomatoes. And some pickles.